Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I think I tricked Lou. I came in here and kind of piddled around before I started recording, so we might not hear any slurping. He went outside. It's kind of sprinkling, and he went outside to do... Look at that. It don't matter. I can't talk to y'all for nothing. And Biggin just come in the house. I tell you what, these kids... they're nothing but trouble. Hey, boy, quit drinking up all the water. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 these kids. Now Lou's going to be jealous and feel like he needs to fill his invisible camel hump. Okay, well, let's get back to it. These kids, that's why we can't have nice things. So, let's get on to supper. You know, I keep my foods in stacks. I stack them, you know, like two mains and a side first, and the side's always for supper. So let's see what this is. This is, oh, that looks like the stump that I made. But I'm telling you what, that parsnip, I did not, and none of y'all told me, well, because you probably didn't know it. I was doing it. Oh, and this is my riced chicken Alfredo, I think. Anyway, so we're going to leave that for tomorrow evening. So let's set that over here. And so this one is, yeah, it's my pork chops and onion gravy. Tomorrow, it's going to be a dang good day, y'all. A dang good day. Holy smokes-a-roni. So let me slide you. Oh, whoop. Whoop. Hold her, Newt. We're making a mess. Alright, so we'll go on and put that in there. And so I know I have that. We're also, see, my breakfast, I have my Applegate, 3 Applegate sausages, and this is cottage cheese and yogurt. I only have one more of those left. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know if it's going to be so cold. I don't know if I'll keep doing those this winter, or if I'll go back to... my eggs, I don't know. Although I can't go shopping. I mean, I could go shopping, but it's not shopping day, so I probably will go back to eggs. Because I got plenty of them. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This is the salad that I make up. I make them up and I put a paper towel across and I store it upside down. And so that's what I just pulled off. So now, let's get us some jicama. We love our jicama, especially when it's fresh. Now, if you cut it and it's like the same color as the outer shell, you might as well just throw that thing away. And I've done it. I've done it many times because the Walmarts, they don't know what's a good jicama and a bad jicama. They don't know. So, you just don't, there's going to be times when you got to throw it away. All right, we are going to add in some of my pickled veg. When I didn't make these with the bread and butter recipe, I love the bread and butter recipe. I just went old school this time. So that's some cucumbers and onions and peppers. Well, I just want a little extra onion, and now I want a little extra of the juice. So I'm gonna get some juice in there, and then I'll add my dressing. This is just vinegar. All the vinegars. You can go back and watch it. I think I have this linked in this recipe, or in my video here. I think I have this recipe linked. It's just every kind of vinegar you can find, and some water. I don't think I did any sweetener in it, and some salt. All right, so now we're going to do some tomatoes. Tomatoes. My name is Mater. Like tomater without the tub. Well, he said like tomater without the tub. Put these. Alright, there we go. That's enough, Terry. That's enough, Terry Toodle. Terry Toodaloo. Alright. I did not. I did not weigh this out whenever I did my dressing last night. I remember I was so tired and not thinking and just wanted to hurry up and I forgot my seasonings, I know. I just wanted to hurry up and go to bed. I didn't care. I just knew I was done thinking. So that's 70 ounces. 70 grams, I mean. 71, it went up. We're going to add us some... We're going to add us some of this Flavor God Ranch. That was actually pretty good on here. And we're going to add the Flavor God Everything Bagel. Alrighty. So today's the day that my coworker brought the brought those, low carb chips. And they were good, but I tell you, I still am Terri. I am still impulsive, and I'm still obsessed, like obsessive. So whenever I had the chips, and I know that's the market. Oh, hey, I was going to put some of that on there. Yeah, I'll leave it off. That's the market. The people that are in marketing, they're in marketing for a reason. They know how to get people to like everything. They know how to get people to do the things, to want to eat the things. They know how to make people crave foods. They know that by adding certain flavors and certain seasonings and spices, it makes people want to binge on their food and crave their food. I mean, we all know that. But, hang on, wait a minute, let me scoot these around here. But, I thought maybe I wouldn't have that feeling anymore. What I'm doing here is I'm making up my coffee. Better come on. Whoa, that could have been bad. I'm making up my coffee since I use my Keurig now. I've got, the powdered coffee, the kind that comes out in a bag, the bag coffee. It's not in the Keurig cups. So until I run out of this stuff, I'll just I got a bunch of these reusable ones. So what I'll do is I'll put this in there, and in the morning I'll run it. So, alright, so I put my coffee back. I got my chocolate electrolytes. I got a link to how I make my chocolate electrolytes. You don't have to use them, I just do. And then I'll add some of this. I'll add some French vanilla in the morning. And I'll line this up. I actually put this little lid underneath it the other day because whenever I pull this out, it always drips. So that kind of sits under there when I'm done. But anyway, so in the morning I'll make up my coffee. And I'll have some hot coffee. So, alright, hey, I'm getting a little bit faster. Yeah, look at me. Go Terri, go Terri, go Terri. You Terri, you did good. Good job, good job. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, anyway, I'm going to call the dogs in, put the dog, and we're going to bed. It's 7:52. It's time for me to listen to my Bible and relax and then go night-night. Bye. Good morning. We have yogurt and cottage cheese. I mixed it all up. There's a lot of protein. So if you're looking for lean, high protein, sometimes people are like, I want to increase my protein, but I don't know how. Yogurt and cottage cheese does. And then these lean chicken or turkey Applegate sausages. So for those of you who are looking to, if you eat dairy, then I'd say go with chicken or turkey instead of that. But I thought I'd point that out. If you eat dairy, yogurt and cottage cheese has a lot of protein. Okay, off to work. Bye. It's lunchtime, my favorite time of the day, and I'm excited about what I have. We've got our pork chops with onion gravy. That's just like pork chops and onions. I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with that. It's like sauteed onions anyway. You know, what I'm about to say. If you don't enjoy your food as much as I do, something's wrong with you. Because food is life. And we got our salad. Good flavor. I'm gonna tell you, I enjoyed my food the whole time I was losing weight. So, it ain't even just because I'm in maintenance now. You can be a foodie, and you can lose weight too. I'm just saying. Enjoy an apple. Alright. I'll see you later. Bye. So I went to the Dollar Tree, and now they were not $1. But, you know, I'm always having to keep something, I was keeping this glass jar under here. Look what I found. I found these. They're 20 ounce hold. They hold 20 ounces, which is what this holds, except it's wider. You can see it's shorter. So I hate it because it didn't fit under there. See, look. Well, it don't fit, but this one does. So what does that mean? Means I can throw away all these old ones. And being the person that I am, they were $5. So I bought 7 of them, one for every day of the week. Yes, it's what I do. Don't judge me. And so now I'll have one for every day of the week, and I can throw in my old ones, and I'll be able to use these instead. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna throw away the other ones and put these up there, and I'll be right back. Okay, they have a new home right up there. I got 6 of them up there, and one is right over there under my Keurig. So I also, while I was there, I bought these bottles of water. There's 6 of them for $1. I'm like, I can do that. That's kind of good. It may not be a good deal. I don't know. I don't really buy water too often, but I went ahead and bought them just because I felt like it. I was standing in the aisle and I was like, ooh, I need that in my life. So I bought some waters. And then, I'm always running low on my containers that I take. And these are the same brand as I use, except they're just in sets of 2, which is fine. So I think these are $1.25. But anyway, so I have plenty as of this moment. Like, I have some. But a lot of times, you've seen me, I run out on the weekends. So I wanted to pick up some of these. And then I have some new ones. They're nice ones. And anyway, so I'll put these in there. So like I said, tomorrow we're going to be making some kind of chili. I don't know how I'm going to make it. I still haven't figured it out 100% yet. It's one of them things, you just kind of, you wake up and you see what you're thinking. And I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll use some of those, the jicama, the cubed jicama that I have. I might put it in smaller bites. I also picked up, mine are just so old. Oh my goodness. My oven, my things, these things, they're just so old and corroded. So I was like, I walked by these and I thought, I need these. So I picked up an oven mitt. Put that in there. And I went with black because, my walls are purple. So I didn't want bright red or, I don't know. Purple might have matched for all I know. Well, it's not purple. It's really gray. But it's a purple gray. And it's supposed to have been a gray, but, it's one of them things. It is what it is. And I like it. It works. So I picked up a couple of these here things. And a couple more. Because for some reason, I like 4 of them. So, I have those. And I'll go in and toss these old ones. I might hang on to this one. No, I remember. I burned the snot out of myself with this one. Because look, big as life, there's a hole in it. And so I was grabbing something and the heat went right through. And I mean, it didn't burn me, but it hurt like the dickens. So, yeah. So I needed those in my life. So I'm probably the only person that go to the Dollar Tree and gets random stuff. I don't know, maybe I'm not. But anyway, so yeah. So I got me some new coffee mugs. I'm excited about those. And got me some water and some, hot pad things. Now, let's see what we're going to have for supper. Give me just a second. Well, this is the stack. So let's see what it is. I think it was, it was chicken Alfredo with riced chicken. And, some stump. Well, y'all said that the parsnips has that texture, which I didn't like it. It was like eating hay. The flavor was good, but the texture was ridiculous. But anyway, I'm going to heat this up and I'll be right back. Look at these pants. They're reindeer. Ha! It's cold enough out there. So I got me some reindeer britches on. All right. Let's see what we think here. We got our stump. And we got our chicken with rice chicken Alfredo. I sure don't seem like very much. If I get hungry in the middle of the night, I'm going to be mad. Alright, well, let's try our stump first. Get a little bite of a carrot and a parsnip. Let's see. That parsnip wasn't grainy or like hay. I don't know why. So maybe it depends on what part of the parsnip it was. That one I didn't have any issues with. So, and it's got rutabaga, carrots, and parsnip in it. Now this one looks like it might be grainy. Let me see. No, that one's good. This one. Hey, how you doing? Okay, so let's try our chicken and rice chicken Alfredo. That's real good, y'all. That's real good. Real good. And then, some fruit. And that's my supper. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day, so bye.